Hi, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make chocolate eclair cake. This cake is incredibly light and luscious and tastes just like a chocolate eclair. So let's get started. So the first step in making this chocolate eclair cake is to preheat our oven. So I have my oven preheating right now at 400 degrees. So we're going to start making the eclair base for this cake. And it's really just a pâte à choux dough. Very simple and easy to make. And it starts with water. So I'm going to add some water to this saucepan. And to the water, I'm going to add an entire stick of butter. And the last thing we're going to add is some salt. And we're going to let this hang out in the saucepan until the butter completely melts, and then we'll move on. Okay, so our butter is completely melted and it's coming to a simmer. We're going to turn off the heat and I'm going to stir in some flour. And we're just going to stir this with a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon, you could use that as well, until the butter and the water and flour forms a ball. And you'll notice it's ready when the flour is fully hydrated and it starts to pull away from the sides. And you want to kind of stir this vigorously. At this point we are done and we are going to completely remove this from the heat. Okay, we're going to transfer the dough from our saucepan into a bowl. To our dough, we're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time, but we're going to make sure that each egg is incorporated fully before we add the next one. Okay, so we're going to add 1 egg at a time. All right, so now our eggs are fully incorporated. I'm just going to stir it real quick with a spatula and make sure everything is mixed even on the bottom and the sides. And you'll notice how the dough completely changes as you're doing that. It gets a lot stickier as you add each egg. So the next step is to spray our baking sheet. It's a 10 by 15 baking sheet. We're gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Give it a good coating so that none of that batter sticks to the sides or the bottom. Okay, so now that our baking sheet is prepared, we're going to transfer our batter onto there and spread it into a nice even layer. What I love about this dough is it puffs up nice, just like a cream puff would. So this is looking great. We're gonna pop this into a 400 degree oven and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes or until it gets nice and golden brown. Okay, so while the base is baking in the oven, we're gonna start making the cream filling for this. And it starts with instant vanilla pudding mix. I'm going to add 2 containers to this bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of milk. The last thing that goes into the filling is cream cheese, and I have this cream cheese softened to room temperature. We're just going to add that right into the mixture, and then we're going to mix that up with our mixer. Okay, so our filling mixture is done. We wanted to use that softened cream cheese so that it incorporated much smoother into the filling. If you used cream cheese right out of the refrigerator, it wouldn't come together as nicely and you would get big chunks of cream cheese in there. So this incorporated really nice. We're just going to set this aside in the refrigerator until our crust is done baking and it's fully cooled. Okay, so we have a few last steps and then our chocolate eclair cake will be ready to eat. So the next thing we're going to do is spread our prepared filling onto the cooled crust. Top it with some whipped topping. Okay, and the final step in this chocolate eclair cake is the chocolate. So I just have a bottle of chocolate syrup. So there you have it, a perfectly light chocolate eclair cake. Thanks for watching. You can get the full recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.